In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to link GTA account to NextGen. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to make sure that your GTA account and profile gets transferred to a NextGen console such as the PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X or S if you had already previously played those games on a PlayStation 4 or Xbox One. The process is super straightforward, and the only requirement is that your GTA account is properly linked to your PlayStation Network or Microsoft or Xbox account. So, to ensure that this link was established, go over to socialclub.rockstargames.com. In this website, sign into the account that you use to play GTA on any console, and then click on your icon, go over to Account, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. Switch over to Linked Accounts, and immediately you will find the options to establish the link between accounts. Now, to summarize this, let's say you play GTA 5 on your Xbox One. As long as your GTA account is linked to your Xbox account through this page here, the next time you go into GTA on an Xbox Series X or S and you are using the same Rockstar Games account, the console will show the old profile and you will be able to migrate it. So all that you have to do is open, for example, GTA Online on the next-gen console, and by using the same Rockstar Games account, the profile will be automatically detected. So the only requirement ends up being that you have the link established. Go over to Linked Accounts, make sure that the link is established, and if it isn't, link the GTA account to your PlayStation Network profile or your Xbox profile. With this done, as soon as you access GTA on a next-gen console, you will be good to go. This is the only thing that you need to make sure of. So make sure that you do this on the website. I hope I was able to help you on how to link GTA profile to next-gen. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.